Chapter 9, Conclusion. So before starting this video, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. If you like what you see in this video, please leave a comment for other video ideas. It would really help us grow the channel if you like the content and subscribe. Meditation has something to offer to everyone. Every single one of us has problems that we are confounded by, or a need to step away from obsessive thoughts or stressful sensory input in order to focus more inwardly and create a more peaceful space for ourselves where we can thrive. And with the power of meditation on our side, it is easier than ever to look at plans and goals realistically and create reasonable guidelines for ourselves to follow in order to truly succeed. While it may seem daunting at first to begin meditating, there are several tips and tricks, as outlined in this guide, that can help you to overcome those doubts and really find the benefits in your practice. Every one of us is different and finds answers in different ways. However, we are still all humans who require a good amount of serenity in order to find true peace and happiness. But if our inner world is full of conflict, turmoil, and stress, or we are taking a lot onto our shoulders without taking the time we need to recharge, things can get messy. That is when the benefits of meditation are truly able to shine. When things begin to seem difficult, or we have a plan or goal we want to achieve but we find ourselves hitting a brick wall, it is important to be able to detach ourselves emotionally from the situation and observe it from a distance so that we can find the most effective path forward. Not only that, but in meditating on ourselves, we will gain the insight we need to work through our weaknesses and begin to build them into strengths. All of us could use improvement in some form or another, and meditation makes self-improvement easy and insightful, rather than difficult and painstaking. We will still have to do the work involved in creating a better situation for ourselves, but with meditation as a tool on our side, introspection is easier than ever and we can start to see a clear path forward rather than being swamped by the negative interference along the way. No matter how you choose to use meditation, the benefits are endless. We can seek solitude from the hectic outside world and focus on the things that truly matter. We can begin to build up our relationships with ourselves and learn to love and embrace ourselves even though we may perceive ourselves as flawed. We can acknowledge those flaws with honesty and move forward in finding ways to strengthen them. We can learn from mistakes and see painful situations objectively so that we are able to move through them with productivity rather than being swamped by pain and depression. Meditation is the medicine that so many of us are sorely lacking. But it is a medicine that is free, and one that we can begin to use immediately. So don't hesitate. Include meditation in your daily life. You can start now, or you can start later. Whenever you decide to embark upon your journey, know that you are doing it for the best possible reasons. Improving your life, and the lives of everyone around you is essential in promoting a peaceful community. We impact others with our energies and attitude, and if we are doing our best to put nothing but love and productivity out into the world, then that is what we are going to get back, guaranteed. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoy these types of videos and have ideas for other ones, please let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications before you go. Also, check out all of the next videos in the series. Thanks for watching.